I think the number one draw of Watch Hill is that it's quintessential New England. It's a piece of sort of nostalgia. It's almost like time stood still. There's no shortage of things to do in Watch Hill. Whether you're a boater, golfer, fisherman, there's a great sailing program all around. People are always on their boats, always in the harbor. There's just so much to do.
There's two groups of people that come to Watch Hill. There's people that come to the daytime to go to the beach and enjoy the beach. And that's the number one reason why people come here. The beaches are absolutely beautiful and the water is pristine. You also have people that come here to stay here for long periods of time in the hotels or to buy homes and bring their families here.
There's so many families that have been here for so many years that are so welcoming and so wonderful and really make up the fabric of what makes this community so special. The Carousel is just magical. When I was a little girl, it was what I lived for in the summertime. You know, you always got too old when your legs finally touched the ground, and it was like the saddest day. One of those, another fabulous traditions that's so deeply ingrained into Watch Hill. I mean, the Carousel and the kids on the Carousel is what makes Watch Hill so special as well.
We have actually 3 beaches here. The East Beach, which is the Ocean Beach, which is the surf beach. We have Napatree Beach, and Napatree Beach has 2 sides of it. One is the bay side, which is warmer than the East Beach, and then the ocean side of Napatree, which is basically an isolated beach. So if you want to sit by yourself and read a book, Napatree would be the place to go. Another historical location in Watch Hill is where we're standing at the Watch Hill Lighthouse. What's really wonderful about the lighthouse is the property and the view.
So the Ocean House is a very special property. My husband and I were actually in the opening team back in 2010. It's such an iconic, beautiful property, right perched on top of the hill with just panoramic views of Block Island Sound. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
What's nice about the Ocean House is that it has really pushed the limits of the seasons here in Watch Hill. So we're really becoming less of a summer community only and starting to be more of a year-round community. What I love about Watch Hill is the beauty, the natural beauty that's here, the sounds that are here, to wake up and listen to the waves crashing on the beach. It's really about the place and the people just make it better.